I'm Shawn, Energy Products Distribution's installation trainer. And with over 30 years of experience, I'm here to guide you through every step of learning to install 3M insulating window films. These are window films that are designed to reject heat as well as retain heat. You're going to leave here with the knowledge to effectively install these films using techniques such as hand trimming, reverse rolling, and squeegeeing techniques, some of which are very specific to certain films such as 3M Thinsulate. But even after you leave, I'm here to offer you ongoing support. If you have an issue in the field, I'm happy to offer assistance. I'd like to invite you to our next class. Hope to see you soon.